plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0 using completing square. Solution: x squared plus 8x is equals to minus 15. We have to move plus 15 to the right hand side. And when we do that, the sign will change from plus to subtraction. Okay? So the next step is to look for the coefficient of x, which is what? 8. Alright? 8. We need half of 8, which is what? 4. Half of 8 is 4. Then the square of half. We square the half, which is what? 16. Now we add 16 to both sides. Add to both sides. Right? So now we have x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals to minus 15 plus 16. And this one, we now factorize this by having x plus 4 in one bracket, and in the second bracket we have x plus 4. But we will not write it this way. Instead, we write like this: square equals to 1 minus 15 plus 16 is 1. We have x plus 4 squared is equals to 1. We're going to take the square root of both sides. Now you have x plus 4 is equals to, remember, plus or minus square root of 1. Right? So this square root will cancel the square. So what is left is x plus 4 equals to plus or minus 1. The square root of 1 is 1. At this point you have x is equals to minus 4 plus or minus 1. So our x now is equals to minus 4 minus 1, or x is equals to minus 4 or plus 1. And so our x is equals to minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, or minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. And so the answer, the value for x is minus 5 or minus 3 as the correct answer.